What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to be giving you an easy and affordable option to delete some windows while still keeping the original look of the bus. Let's get straight into it. I took the 1-inch board and I kind of made a sandwich with reflectix on each side, so it kind of thickens it up in the window cavities, and it also helps with pushing against the window flat so there's not much moisture or condensation that gets behind it. That's going to wrap it up for this episode. The majority of the walls are all put up. The window trim is looking awesome. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you can follow along, because in the next episode, we're going to show you how we built these bunk beds for the kiddos. Until next time.